Welcome to the Digital Edge podcast, where we dive deep into the world of digital marketing and explore strategies that can help you elevate your online presence. Welcome in Knowledge Overview, your host, and today we're uncovering the power of digital marketing and how to optimize your content with SEO to drive real results. Intro music fades out. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is digital marketing? In simple terms, digital marketing is all about using online platforms and tools to promote products, services, or brands. It encompasses a wide range of activities, including content creation, social media marketing, email campaigns, and, of course, SEO, search engine optimization. But why is digital marketing so important? In today's digital age, most consumers begin their buying journey online. They're searching for solutions, comparing products, and reading reviews before making a decision. If your business isn't visible online, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with potential customers. Now, digital marketing isn't just about being present online, it's about being effective. That's where SEO comes in. SEO ensures that your content is not only visible, but also ranks high on search engine results pages, making it easier for your audience to find you. SEO is the backbone of any successful digital marketing strategy. But what exactly does SEO involve? SEO is about optimizing your website and content to improve visibility on search engines. This involves using the right keywords, creating high-quality content, and ensuring your site is user-friendly. The better your site's reputation, the higher it's likely to rank in search results. Transition sound effect. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how you can optimize your content for SEO. Here are some practical tips. Start by finding the right keywords that your audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs can help you identify high-volume, low-competition keywords. Create quality content. Content is king. Make sure your content is well-written and addresses the needs of your audience. Optimize your meta tags. Include your target keywords and provide a compelling reason for users to click. Use alt text for images. This helps search engines understand your images. Build backlinks. Reach out to other websites and blogs in your niche. This drives traffic and boosts your site's credibility. Monitor your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. Regularly review your data to see what's working and where you can improve. Stay updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes to keep your content optimized. That's all for today's episode. I hope you found these insights into digital marketing and SEO optimization helpful. Remember, mastering SEO is a journey, but with the right strategies, you can significantly boost your online presence and drive more traffic to your site. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe to the Digital Edge podcast for more tips and strategies on digital marketing. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for in-depth tutorials and expert advice on all things digital marketing. Outro music fades, and thanks for tuning in. And until next time, keep optimizing and stay ahead of the digital curve. Outro music fades out.